We're still looking at inequalities. In this video, we're going to be graphing the solutions to our inequalities. So we're going to be doing that on a number line, so we're going to see a lot of these number lines that I see here. So let's take a look at some very basic ideas. So one more time, it's just the solution. So after you do the problem and get x on the left by its side and the number on the right, it's a very easy process to graph it. So let me just show you how to do this. For x is less than or equal to a -2, what is the only number we care about? -2. I'm just going to throw that down on there. Now, where do we find the numbers x that are less than 2? Well, if we graph those numbers that are less than 2, we're going to see they're all in this direction. I don't think I like that. Let me erase that. That's too fat. Okay, so we're going to go in this direction. All the numbers to the left of -2 are those numbers that are less than -2. Okay, now, the one thing that's going to get interesting here is -2 included in our answer? In other words, does -2 work in this inequality? Is -2 less than or equal to -2? Yes, it is. It's equal to. So we want to make sure we know that that -2 is included. So we put a circle and it's colored in. Okay, next one. Let me get some of this out of the way. So again, here's our graph. What's the only number we care about? -2. I'm just going to throw that -2 on down there. Where do we find the numbers x that are greater than or equal to -2? Well, all of those numbers are to the right, so we color that in. And is -2 included in our solution? Does -2 work? Yes, because -2 is greater than or equal to -2. So we indicate that with a closed filled-in circle. Okay, now we're going to contrast that with when you don't have the equal sign option. So what's the only number? So we're looking at x is less than -2 over here on the right. What's the only number we care about? -2. Are we looking at the numbers to the left or to the right? Well, it's to the left that numbers are less than that. So we color all of that in. And is -2 included in our solution? No, it's not. A -2.000000001 is included, but -2 is not. So we can go as close as we can get to -2, but we just can't get there. And so we indicate that with an open circle around the -2 to indicate it goes as close as you want to that number, but not as far as the number itself. So what would you think on this last example? X is greater than -2. I'm going to ask you the same questions. What's the only number we care about? -2. Left or right? Right. It's to the numbers to the right. That's where we find the numbers greater. Oh my goodness, what happened there? Negative to the right. And is -2 included? Nope. So we're going to have an open circle. Okay. So to recap, you're going to use an open circle to indicate that the number is not included in your answer. And you're going to be using open circles when the inequality is less than or greater than. No equals option there. And you're going to have a closed circle when to indicate that the number, yes, in fact, is included. And you're going to see those closed circles when the inequality is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Okay, I think we had another short video. I will come back and show you the special way to do this on Hawks. This is how what we did here in this lesson is how you graphed inequalities on paper. But then Hawks, since it's on the computer, there's a special way to do it.